managing all of us. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing all of us. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing all of us. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing all of us. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing all of us. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Let me to a tracker bona demonstration Sunyani over Ovito over Chodo MC Toy. How you will learn the night. So that's the first story about there. All right, gas supply shut that bottom of yeah. Yo, you can share nah, so I'm a yo, so you get an expertise, and the Rafia, you was only the Chiaka, party view, you can patch you nyalika. From the land, separating the sea from Volta River, creating a large opening and putting nearby communities at risk of flooding. The affected communities include Fumaver, Jaflabe, and Bobo. And the facing authorities structuring the situation. The Duty Chief Executive Sarah has attributed this distraction to a blockade around the estuary and called the urgent dredging and protective measures to prevent further flooding. Residents and local leaders are echoing the call for help. Urging plus 233 to 467 bila Facebook, bila TV, bila YouTube, aku dah cuci dia, nama dia yang dapat bertokai aku fiali.
Ago. Oh, what the? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, còn thế mà bà đã quên làm rồi cái tụi bụi ta nhà chú mà ra đi tuổi một vài nhà quăng sập bật cái là những mà vật phẩm những mà ta chẳng mà chung mà nó chỉ có vô cùng
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa base hasbena didila nuna mfia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko won tan nya nukura wa wala pasi ko nya ko katara gbe
bo no chiko ku no e plolo
vai batakalho subo itabi gada de secrement tonto wala pasi ko wa busiolo weto sera
wa ire vola to gbo
Nyatuma toro ha woza vola tikafu foji jila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika jirapo kata alo gado
baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa base hasbena didila nuna mfia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko won tan nya nukura wa wala pasi ko nya ko katara gbe
bo no chiko ku no e plolo
vai batakalho subo itabi gada de secrement tonto wala pati ko wa busiolo weto sera
wa ire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no plo na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyatuma toro ha woza vola tikafu foji jila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to
Ọ̀nàwó mọ̀sán.
Fola katsika le atikedzraƒewo katã alo ge ɖe woƒe dɔyɔƒea me le akplawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔwo le old fashion le aƒe ke le xɔƒea ge ɖe wo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdiga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memlidagbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdiga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12 ƒoka na vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola.
Elika, chombo elemia popo. Elika mwezo.
Pero cuyo lo que vale todo.
Yo mami. Ya. Leke mwake.
Wake ngafo chofia chechi le banja na kwa.
Ba.
Na wenda akafavi. Au tamile na meseni. Ya wele doji.
Yo mami.
Ndio we ngati bipola kata. Ndi sente acho kwa monta. Ni usende tu. Ele chile tu kwa pena ya wele doji.
Yo ke echi ajare magbara kan premium ya bod. Jero mile. Baka le rest la.
Le fica. Tamile tote. Tamile to ba agaba kwa ne cheja mi owe fu na impact ma no so bo ake. Ya ni do bele su heavy. Yeah, okay. Don't be a jago before me because we talk of an area. Much a cut off one way or the other. So times but the job don't have a fun to do that.
Okay. Yo, apa chinyaman udah apa ke angon to. Nyata kakak kau sunya bo chigambe. Na ako ya ni jojo chama como tu ada chakon bubu ke macam tu nafi tu nama chakwa latu aro ke bala yo te pakata le nyapa bang to na ana nama ko ka le jine amukala angon district e ke bi pun dan nyamanya nyapa to nyobo tu choko masuk la miatu miatu afi asoran kwa mwe nka we ganya nyamamla that tidal waves wreck havoc in an organic thousands. Dangaba district in Ghana in the water is reeling from the devastating impact of tidal waves, which have displaced about 2,000 people and left a trail of destruction in their wake. So, there was a Metro News report on this. The waves are broken through the land separating the sea from the Volta River, creating a large impact impacting nearby communities at risk of flooding. So, this is a thing I'm not understanding. Over Echidam, Anita Kerle, Chakwa Bella Amaduna, Afmata Chiba Amreta, La Figa, Chiatuna, Gagana, Shashawama, Epoma, Babatu, Abuabatu, Sambazo, Lemaka, Shababa, Cocoa, my own Lefia, over Fum, Jaflag Bay, Flag, Coco, Wama, Bovania, one put the home, no, Econosia. Oh, Robusiba, a Kajiria Batitia, Niajo. Jola Cavaji, Romuje, the right program, you got bread was a Cavaji Malaba. Eojo, Mano, Yakra, or the Muhora, the Horoklu, in many other Chapwabu, Vak, do Chapwa, Ramu. What I can understand of Macdoroja, Bamo, Bato, Ebunuba Trent, Unuba Wash. I guess it's in a Bunrokuba, Bramo, Mugavon, you don't put priorities in
No, tidal waves pledge in our yard. Southern water, many check on it. any entity, again, who concern ye and we are SCI and PCA Bell and Jotori, who can job at least in the level of solution, they can Kakaka, repeated you. So as a country, I don't know, but the good news is the last year, look at soccer for the Areas Defense Project, which will be completed somewhere in 2029. The show may put on Weber, at least I hope, if they are reduce the impact of the Tata was allowed 20 completely. Now, the other aspect is where so if you have a drainage, remember you are, I know a key what make our own monitor like at least expect the issues there in your okay, then okay, the Shiva Ganager, this is what will happen. So change of take proactive action. Let me ask you, Pikaka, one job, the brother is ready, but probably maybe oversight that method. Diana Tabe, Ojole, Omefa, implement our displays in that area. It's just that there is one too many on every year. They have the entire rules. It's ever super. So if you have the government take actions where, hey, at least there's subsequent years this issue of Ghana was where add displays and property. I'm aware I believe and then Taka cause more stress. It's quite sad. But for me, in short, all I would say never at least me empathize with Amel, continuously only coming under this issue. At least okay. I need for have I just at least every year situations are such governments over the period will give service to issues here where I know this particular issue because many feel like Jelcom and Jelcom will be back. Okay, I am also in the national time for the president somewhere last year in Castle for the Kususi first project. And I hear that it's really ongoing in Nigeria, so that I don't district car. The Kusu,
okay, if you are Aplau, the Amuka, you know, the Sanji law. Okay, so many shop, very looking at the maybe just to make a cover, yeah, Anglo district at Arma, Angla, Strawberry, United, Pamalo, United, Sabi Tula.
Yes, I know because there was, I think something last year, teacher, and much of the film, and Cheva Dam, there was this action at the Pamela, city defense, so many shop, and
Kagashi, Kakuli Buhara, Kakuli Channel, Ruafia, Mara, Dekakuli Buhara. Da Ruki for city first project now, no to Ulu Buglu, Vakoi, go, my person I know no one, I put Uru,
so like the fourth president still like that. It's amazing attraction. Which is many people. Okay, over the period, we need a bubble. And the chair of Gaga everywhere. So why do we allow that to happen? Now, Tada will say, is it that I'm not going to the world results? Where at least who have very strong monitoring system. They can have okay, Tada will say, at this like this monitoring system, so labor. Yeah, there's someone looking at the area. Yes. Maybe in at least like as it happens elsewhere. This storm is coming down. I don't know what like how the storm this storm comes to find higher grounds and all that. So these things trace. So some of these things because Tiger Woods is entity, very serious and pragmatic action over solving. So for me, Nabele game can solve it for last year, they made very sure and hopeful that I see the one complete project management so that they are getting the impact so they have in the community, they have a development in the area. Then I minimize a lot of use so that at least I make it all very good property. At least that area actually one do businesses with the waterfront houses are all that place is a nice place. Those attractions but it's not happening. I was one time there they get there that I am I can't know where guess I was looking for but another time I have to so at least we need to do better. We need to do better. And government need to put promises were into actions when some of these things are now resolved once and for all. So that then children back on the road and see the face and change the tidal waves because it's becoming too many. Every year we are experiencing this and government must welcome it. So I empathize with the people. Every year we have to go into issues here. And so for me, the assurance is that government is actually committed to resolve the issue. I will do a long time. The show by 2029, which is the year he projected a one woman, and they show this issue will be a thing of the past.
Your message to my message to a very practical when you're managing. Don't know my boy, what Jamie Blanc, I'm going to message now to Kumigo Tony along the coastal in Abnonga is 2008 news people. I'm not sure that but yeah, over 2,000 displaced people. People who don't know rooms. I never had news. Okay, let's be sure that. Alright, story over the whole day. Now, Makara Stella Yellow Kaka, that is this retreat in Ghana's origin is reeling from the devastating impact of Ghana, which have displaced over 2,000 people. It's possible, maybe people, maybe homes. Yeah. Mind you, I'm wrong, I'm many I'm black, I'm a yato, and Fuma the onion shallows. And going to phone or the throwing off on my shallows, irrigation pipe or one thrown hand. Yeah, so that's what I remember. But I think you will understand better. 2,000 people know. Okay, we message Bodrobo Enzo Bodrobo. We need T-shirt to shout Yesu my Agbalima people. Let's change our minds like the other tribes have been doing. Always saying this yesterday, they don't help us. This is frustrating. Oh, your SSD but Shall come on, I will use President Ramani, President. What the position over here, but you did not here. Over here, but I don't teach my business.
Look at sort for the project, massive defense projects, 2025, mid-2025 now.
Yeah.
Then the last time, I think proud to the elections, they got job. And the country now.
All right. Good morning to Tony. Great show. I am enjoying how you are focusing on my area. This is Shine from Flat. Oh, okay. This is the first time I'm seeing you mention it. Nobody will hear the loud noises this time. Let's wait till it's time for campaign. We'll bring us the t-shirts and the billboards, and our people will be happy. All right. Good morning to you, Tony. Oku Zato, the voracious, vociferous voice, where you go hide. Good morning to you, Tony. I'm white. I was going to be white. Oku Jebiaro, Oku Zato. Okay, the printer. Good morning to you, Tony. All they need now is NCT. Signboard, billboards. I don't understand where all this is coming from. What is the train? T-shirt. You are, I don't know.
Okay, so it's rather than
Good morning to Tony. Okay, this is Patriot again. NDC has taken Voltarians as fools. This is a pity. We must change. All right. I think a last message from Mama Sarah. District President is Sarah Sandra Sedo. I'm district. Sandra Sedo. 3 district representatives of Rotary. Victoria Cheplo, Southton Sudakope, Victoria Yawam Fajido, Noston, Afi Amro, God district. If Mama Gahaya Uyonera in that circle. Yeah, and Mama Gawe. Your people are dying and you are feeling the pain, but because you are NDC, you cannot say it loud. Our people, we need to speak out for governments to pay attention. This one is a painful thing. There is no one who will be happy about this.
Yeah, so listening to your comment, yes, what is happening there, at least it's very painful. Your property, you've done so much to tap. We are living the day, I think it's very painful and resources all wasted. Just one down maybe. It's just like what we saw in
North Tong, Central Tong, dying, South dying, Fumata.
This place, over the 10th massive is very sad. And I'm over property, I'm over work bit of the dealer. It's a wonderful. But for me, I'm sure the government is committed to resolve this issue once and for all. And yeah, not I'll cut short for the Kusumu City first project. Yeah, Kafa, the Kusumu, Salah, so I'm sure that when the projects are bring some relief to going through this sad situation every year. Every year we're going through this tidal waves. And so for me, the community I do with that and people let's I mean I want to tell it what's people have issues with because already the funding is there. And so we let's show what I want to and the economic want to and make sure very Yankaba said, okay, let's also see defense and whole within 2 years or 3 years, and this is the issue we are having with it because the women are doing the work. I may have in charge of money, and make sure that we use the right instruments, the right materials, our constructs, like reinforcement, and make sure so that the Makaba receipts this issue subsequent years were after completion of the project. So for me, it's quite sad. We empathize with our people to go through this. We are just also praying that the government are make sure they will fast track the construction so that they will have some.
Yo, nyapa bola kanga TV. When you na yachi, Tony Mabo, ye nyapro, nyapla ona welcome. Choma buo, ye le nyapo, nyamajo. Ke nyazoran gori, abu nyanya, minta nyambo, iba nyanya, milo, da nyaka fujirabe. All right. All right, you know, you are in charge. Try. Versus Ikanya Chichao, or GBB. GS approval for teachers' salary arrest. Chichao, but if you don't know, if you don't know, you want song, you want to go, God, go tonight, you so go, what the Ghana Education Service has announced a major breakthrough in its efforts to clear outstanding salary arrears owed to newly recruited teachers nationwide. The Ministry of Finance has given the green light for the payment of these arrears, which accumulated between the 1st August 2024 and November 2025. The GES has been working tirelessly to address the issue, and this development is expected to bring relief to thousands of teachers who have been awaiting payment. The payment is part of the government's commitment to ensuring that teachers are paid their rightful dues. GS officials have welcomed the news, emphasizing the importance of timely payment of salaries to motivate teachers and enhance the quality of education. And I'm quoting the exposures and this payment is a significant step towards resolving the issue of salary arrears. And we are committed to ensuring that all teachers receive their dues from them. All right, yo BG demonstration. Me, I'm a preparator. Fruity, I do. Bamuna go. Maima. Me here, Bamuna. Oh, if you can read this, thank a teacher. Yeah. If you can read this, thank a teacher. The teacher told them all. If you are a journalist, thank a teacher. If you are a politician, thank a teacher. All right. Yes. Ministry of Education has given clearance. Everybody do so now, brother. Everybody do so, but she got you. Idris Odoyama. Clearance. So you want pepper before you clear.
I think is good news this morning. The
Abanabel clearance is the ministry. Looking at no, we can't blame nothing. Yes. So the buck stops with somebody in politics. The good thing this issue, I think the last time demonstration on this very platform, no, Kenya government is a listening president, and so we're very sure that just like there's a police service recruitment issue over, and the beginning the existing president will enter. And we probably who disqualified, who may go access one. Most of them over have access. Now, most of them are going to and all that. You know, I think the demonstration job about this very platform. Even though we have the president, is a listening president, that really show our nation. Yes, so for issues regarding teachers, that is very important to hear because we are able to read at least a bit because of a teacher. Like for some of us, where we grew up at least, the government made it fine. And the government made it fine those days. It was quite tough. At least technology, playing, we are TV, and we are money, you know. And so it takes a teacher and motivate me and make sure, oh, this is not A, B, and put it together. This is what I pronounce, this is how you get phonetics and all that. So, at least issues with regards to teachers were and they're very dear to me has. And then some of them looking at the conditions they go through and other conditions of service where even some of them in the villages were molding children, making sure that they are making impact in the lives of populace and over students were very important. Some of them, even with the bigger salary, look at the school fee, school fee, even out of the list, the little they are taking. Aside that, even committing to work project is a challenge to most of them. They don't have very derived communities to work. And how to even get there. Last time I saw a video, I call it a teacher, a more LGBT yet at the teacher in school. Where school view the other communities were at the school uniform the brown and then to children. So people are sacrificing more. Teacher law post where on the crashing both capsize. So they are moving to a lot of issues regarding teachers and very important to some of us. They are not a demonstration here. Yes, maybe for the impact, but at the end of the day, national governments, they actually very good to go and then maybe not expecting the government out of the nation. And so we just go there, maybe and ask if a lot of people declare as far and at least some of them, most of them, all of them are received money. I'm sure when the payment is installment, so let's show at least at least one are committed and make sure they bring out the best out of our people so that they can be good assets this very, very economy. So it's a good news. Some of these things were I raised a clear issue our NHGS where teachers who are demonstrate. Nurses were demonstrate you were arrested for a bit over. And the first place, it don't prevent the arrest from happening. Maybe the clearance about who recruit to life. Yes, government. So why should we wait there? I know I want to cater for so many months. Years, I'm not demonstrating, you have to pay.
or is it that then as at the time, we will recruit today, clearance power? But then looking at that, America issue 2024, like that is proud to election. So probably government make plans, very happy for political points, spiritual, who will go to everything, whatever they do, but you are not doing provision. They are not recruiting them. Yeah, like a salary pay, very how. But to score political points, whichever one and then you open, there are more recruitment, employer more, and then after push with them. So the coming government is now I take the plan. And then we get a go for family, we get a go structure, we read it. The show, I raise over 5 I'm hoping, and the show with the competent government in have fear. Some of these issues will be the thing of the past. The Nakaba go back, Nakaba, I raise issues here where it all 1 year. The finance minister, the president as well, the education minister, they are going to judge. And then the other, the number who will the teachers because we are put this 7,000. So I wish being the listening president as the president, I will do that noise, but I can increase the number of fee so that I may also complete to happen to 2022 with our every 4 years will happen. At least they'll get something doing. And at least that's what impacts the lives of the citizens who are the people who are that in all, the government aside the other issues where in the shop we are working towards to address. We are, of course, the government is doing well, and the shop very soon. We have been taking our text that yes, we didn't go wrong. Electing SSSC, JD,
I won't go to have a virtual MPP, Nana, Benya, Denya, Kakaba, government doing well. Over me for the Nana. Bianya, but Bianya, she is a political winning Atia, Ghana education service, Chichao, Balingala, Chicha, the Yamu, Chicha, oh, degree diplomacy, a black all of man, all over Yoshi. Yea, Nanu girl, women that are shadowing at your bound. Over 30,000 independent edge, which is so for 30,000, at Bablaton, 30,000 classrooms are teachers. 30,000 classrooms are teachers. Even as of today, even the fear. Suku kore kara I'm at 30,000. I'm at Camaro, Sukuaro. I feel I look at class 2, I don't know class 1, I can do home wherever done assignment. But A, B, no for a control by class master. If you have a headmaster, ye headmaster, direct class 1 teacher, now to teacher. So this is a huge problem, even as of today. Edward research is today when I'm going. As usual, government is in research. Every department is government they get advance, salary advance, wage advance with Donam. The dog Agana, I mean, dog yeah, over September 2024. Oh, model validation better. Echo, the Milan Yamago, Canada,
September 2024. September, October, November, December. Actually, it's one people because the financial crisis, politics are but at the end of the day.
Hey, Gato, I don't know how one project, the next souvenir, and the rest of the ke roko ota kona ke roko de dai sha ti dai su bo kuba ado ti mana mahama bo ya bo ku nemi no ya niso.
So the good thing in when the government is doing well, and then the dollar share increase the number, but at the end of the day, government share they address never 30,000 a day. I don't pay one. They address Makabachi and the lower Makaban demonstration. That is a problem. Resources too. That is for me what I'm seeing. The resources for it's a challenge. And this issue is just this year the issue I discovered. After independence of the sky the school classrooms always teach our classrooms all I teach our salary. If for a while now is happening. If you come out to the school since 2022, it's not the best. Meanwhile, at least one to another one. And then government, okay, if you know what you introduce automatic posting so that I reduce some of these things happening. Next month, Nigeria, even after the school fake batch and the teacher clinical interest, what you get, what is that? Because I'm a 2023, the all happens then you will be done 2026. It's a challenge, switch to the show. Government and education ministry is looking at what resolve issue. It is very important because if I don't continue learn after school, you stay at home 3-4 years. You have a post in no arrears, kakaka or maka. No, it's very sure the government is working on that, and then hopefully this issue should address. So the government at the point to reduce some of the schools and at least when they create more, I can even create more. I start with the putting down about construction of the e-blocks. In an some hard to reach areas where people are expand, but project might stop here with the change in government. Again, with the new government coming in and show some of these things may address where end. The strategy or what to west that there's some schools and countries where I may have figured it all here. They hard to reach areas where actually want to school. Probably the politics aspect in your bed.
Yes, what but I think the politics aspect. Because then you it's like we don't take them seriously. So I need to drop a message that good morning to you. This government is doing well. MPP okay, MP is always praying for hardship in the country. Satan how can a party be praying for hardship? I don't think. MP talk about drama. Ayo, good morning to you. My name is Good show. When you truly pay, please don't keep quiet. Invite journalists to come and scrutinize the vouchers. Otherwise, the NPP people will monger rumor in Totro, beer bars, and Aboboyas that Mahama has not paid. Aboboya, to hear Aboboya, I'm not going to have oh, Charlie, I'm a road to all right. Good morning to you, Tony. This UNES government is being led by insensitive people. Is Gonja Mafia and its ministers and appointees not taking their salaries and fat allowances? John Mahama should be reminded that he is not doing the teachers any favor by paying them their delayed salaries. It is his duty, and that is why he is living fat on the nation's taxes. In this batch of your words are not good. Seriously, I distance from some of these comments. If this batch of, let me say, people moving around as government will not the jobs for which they are paid to do, they will be forced to go to do the right things. Hey. Wow. Hey, yo. Good morning to Tony. This is James. They have spoiled the arrest. What is wrong in the teacher? What is wrong if the teachers get all the arrests in one ball so that they can do something more profitable with it? This is wickedness. Like I took force in disclosing a certain briefing in the Jubilee House. No, it was a meeting at Movenpick. You know, I think 70% of government revenue, internally generated revenue, goes to servicing, paying public sector workers. Over 70 jobs for the government. So some of these things, I don't think we should be unfair to the government. So I think we should be fair. If you also become a government manager, okay, you do say, hey, 17 months salary, averaging, let's say 3,000, 3,000, 3,005. Entry rate, maybe 2,006 to 3,000, and let's say 3,000. Yeah, let's say 3,000. For, hey, come on. Now you want to teach our salary, you cut up salary, grade, no, I'm just calling entry grade, which will not be more than 3,000. Times 17, times how many thousand? It's a lot of money. So just the last one. Going to you, Tony, if the teachers had not gone on a demonstration, would you have made the effort to try to pay their salary arrears at all? This is not different from what we did not want. This is Kuma. Thank you. You put Tamiya just a minute.
Yeah, so I yes, the government is making an effort now. For me, the issue not kind of just in the office, maybe now rest and another should be 15 months or something like that. And you have the right way. Because if at the end of the day, 70% of government here paying the wages and salary, how much is left there? Aqua or developmental projects that are running. The government cannot pay bit by bit. Actually, so that they keep the government. And I don't know what I am also looking at. The government should be funding for the any kind of loophole in any revenue. Government should be funding effort to develop some of this because therefore, public account committee, where cities were doing more village here, could see a lot of loopholes. Ambulances assign quality, aside from it to their individual pockets to regulate the work. And government should also work on addressing the corruption-related issues because the kind of money they are going to do that, maybe some of these monies will be used to recruit more teachers. They pay them because if one person involved in corruption about 1.something billion, 2 billion galaxies, that money I told the teacher I pay them even for a year or two. So at least corruption is also an issue that may feel very part of government because I feel very even though the pool of justice is so here, at least we should see even though the AGM problem you will play back in the over sure there is more to do, and hopefully that you're expecting more outcome. So we know that at least the Attorney General Gapis who saved the country through Ecuador now. Yes, so this is my message, and equally the channel is to put in more teachers, put in more classrooms, and then at least helping the economy grow is very important. But the good thing about the government has clear some of these areas so that at least why have relieved them. Okay, yes, government is making efforts to pay them. Yeah, the politics aspect in there. Yes, so if you know that you can't pay the people, you don't have plans for them. Welcome to all of them to the system. This is a challenge. I can assure that these very governments, we are taking you from that. And so let me not clearance, we don't have this issue of next year, current teacher, I'm going to put it on one of our actually arrest now and demonstrate, because when you're there with the leadership we have now, such things will not happen. And then I will manage the recruitment process.
All right, so democracy under siege. Yes, so global. Yeah, restaurant the chicken or not to connect the other one by fatty conquer. You of my fine Jamalo, Madu Bonodo, Kakaka, Koide, Tugua, Mero, Tugua, Fonatama to Banam. All right, I'm always saying, I'm a sham on it. It have been and Victor, over you for Fongan, John Daman, Mamma, Chibia, move forward. You ada yo pa chibibi yo pa sa fia le sunyani bonu to pa to hodua maraban ke jofma over the communication officer nyamdela ne en to le maraba ko bi na ma li ko Pagi kita muni, nggak ada apa sih satu orang orang masuk sama jomong ya, kalau tu kalau ada ngomongin, ay baby, akhirnya kalau ada tu lah terapa dari, aduh puji, akhirnya aje, orang padia, gue, ada pagi ki, si pagi kira mama masuk sesi dia. Only chato nonsense. Only obey 30,000. Only remind you one week with baby. Yamana to Coca-Cola. Parento. Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bamia salutuna. Ebe democracy is under siege. So mina swe brother Mark brother. What do brother can lead them nyapa uta semasa aku. Bocor demokrasi. Nishani ko dai, o Vitor dopo, o troca tava suindito. O tu, o Vitor dopo ko wa monami, o gere wa home, babotunayo, oleyo, no choyo yo ko ile, o Vitor bora bail conditions abazuto. So they have weaponized the institutions of democracy, weaponization of political, of state institutions. Sisi ya ucho povito wako tutu wako ko animal tunayo. Ndona yoko court. They have weaponized the court system. Over 200 billion ya government. Mana would be now. How rich man want to be one of farm kanga abema ki orwan onyina ngado kuku abagablo shu gama yo mula neni yo go. You 50 million CBO. A government show. About the Gama Ibrahim Muhammad Reshiku Gamal. Yeta want to meet them. Me how people by age. Oh wow. You see Polo, you have no see Polo, and chocolate honorable.
Yes, no one to have a Naya, Ola, or 4 to 9 highway. And this is an NPP. Many people get age. And over comments were on TV, radio, one pick were update. The one is one now something also generating power or expiration. Actually, comments concerning another one picky. Oh, JD 4 years. No, so they are comments there. You may expect from NPP. But we are you may expect from NPP. Maybe if there's a neutral party, then I don't know regards to that, I find.
Journalist too.
Yes, journalist, neutral. Because people get the under the NPP. Under the NPP, a whole judge was sitting in the court. Why he the accused persons are no. I put Joey. So and IPP, people get the value. So we expect they are to go. They should be ready for more of such because they prepare for.
You must say that more issue. No, claro,
because there were irresponsible comments, there were action. They are cause fear and panic. They are linked to some kind of system. Yes, the police will invite you. Bro, what is your evidence? And what I bring it in, he is found of that. And since why present evidence very soon. At the end of the day, what are you doing? You are tarnishing people's image. Even over internal elections where immense senator Rojo candidates are formed. A lot of them, not of evidence,
Need Burberry, they should expect more than you must some.
And you make irresponsible comments. Hey, and Joe Badass. Untifafa to comedy. Yes, Waba Yalewe.
That I go Bromber, MPP to Ogro, Yaru, you go Yama, you
evidence as you are looking at comments about one.
Elbow grown at me, but to me, because I know you, she up that power is transient. My government is may I want you know.
Even though they were assassinated, and I are because then the free speech, even free speech, whatever, you can say it now, but whatever that happens is after. Yes, so yeah.
The freedom of speech is guaranteed when you speak, but cannot be guaranteed after you have spoken.
At the end of the day, you face the consequences. Yes, take your allegation, alleged, I may have the right to report to you. That will report to another police over people, over Lewa. What provide evidence? Look at your Torayana time, comments, Mawa. And I tell you, the comments, Mawa, really do it. And cause it. So you come and defend. That I bring you any form of that. Let's say, and to change my it's going yes, black. And look at that, yes. I want to me. You want to get a bag or then you acquire or family, you acquire, and the good my assurance can be called guarantees you slowly. That won't be accessible. Financial cost to the state. Yeah, everybody. and then some of the local communities depend the cost and the value and the government okay, you are owing to the state.
The gravity of the offense.
Then the Gawes born at least a about 100 billion. Government 20 billion. Government because I can't support. I call my way. Want to miss again. Tani Abronya about the comment to see that the government now they are trying to prosecute some to persecute now. Then to call your mate, then really his science scrutiny contract thinking well. And that is the same for the
amusing. All right, you call it amusing. 80 miles, going to Tony. You forgot to add Israel prayer. I don't understand. So some of the ways me Facebook, so maybe a word is trending. Those words have been trending for 2-3 days. So some of those trending words, maybe I'm not. I'm going to Tony. My name is Vero. When the very threat to our democracy is being relegated to the background, they now start to preach funny. All right, thank you for the message. And next week we're monitor guest, great show, great conversation. I like the drums of the circus have started performing. The drums of the circus. All right, so very NDP we all know that's now who I don't get it. Gab, want to Tony, I really like your energy. Yeah, I agree 100%. Sometimes we also learn to tolerate these criticisms. People in the government today did a lot of bad stuff, yet maybe we were not punished. Do you this person say, oh, but like media, I think 3 years ago.
Stadium, DC nuclear. Similarly, so it's a couple of them only. Then research, and you see a couple of them. I will Juanetta jet, so a lot of them Ibrahim allegation never justify. The doom sorry. Never did doom so that make a new market to buy Yaki and Fifio. No, but even by check, no light here and not a free bed. There's a fault that take 8 hours. Yes, then more later can go for them. I know they will go 24 hours. I will for no proactive in detecting some of these things. If there's any way transformer then label okay, then here the program automatically switch.
Yes or no? Was the president's comment necessary?
Yes, it's necessary because Emma is not doing so. What is happening now?
Is that comment necessary? Yes or no?
No, I have no the president had to make statement like okay. Then they saw my they are forced with their lines, split all the some of these things are happening. They are not about no job or issue. And we are not telling about this situation or promise, but you are fixing. And so, about this situation. So they are working on it with this of you. hours. Within 1 hour, and I like to poverty. So yes, there was an issue. How to resolve it? So that is what we want.
All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutes
is resolve this issue. The only thing we have is other gadgets with the transformers and what that they one of very responsive and low at least. That is all.
Good morning. Good morning, Tony and your guests. Doing good conversation. Humble to admit their shortcomings. Great show. All right, thank you for coming. Anima, don't apologize to us. There is no do so. Wow. All right, thank you for your message. What an answer. Upon all this, we are praying for more light. What are you talking about? All right, thank you. Kofi Pharisee, good morning to you. Tony, apology rejected. All right, thank you for coming. Last one, Radolf. Yeah, thank you, Radolf. Will your apology give us light, or they will solve the mess you are creating in our fridges? These are your concluding comments. Mary. Oh, some other comments may be on Facebook. Me upon Polokata Facebook. Be that panami. I'm YouTube. Be that panami. That message arera. Me kata me kwe. Me shaman Troy there. Me have a handle so. Albana no lafuma. Me pita na me. Be that panami. Papa. Me from here. Me see. Me say that from here. All right, Mary, in the thumbs up, thank you so much. Robert, Adeline, advertising my shoe. All right, thank you very much. All right, honorable, just 30 seconds. One line.
To support that road, that used to be a major road for 3 days, Tuesdays, Fridays, where to better in and out, split or used to be a major road. That no priority. Move the MP ever assure constituent to a no, so to school in the whole center because that area force and the whole center ever assure. Then I go vacua. You are resolve issue, man. I see Ketia himself was there to assure the people. And my assurance that's another one. That road used to be a busy road. I told you as well, the moment here. Oh no, very bad. It is very bad now. What is happening? I don't care that in the municipality and more less hour. Then we are going to be there and to where inner roads where. Meanwhile, these are major roads where Nyako are focused here. And we are being in our roads. But those are possible. So let's at least it's a call the government to make sure MP, MSC, this regional minister and work on this one. It's a major road and it's affecting businesses
in the area. Thank you very much, Elikem Chombo, my special guest. I don't know Nyako Polo, Nyanolao, Vocal, Ragamete Fukalo. Itakani kata be mi do ache papli ba madapane do ache kata mau ko Christian dambe pleto kata ke jawaga be nyem fu ko no tata war mi ko Vola Herbal Medicine do alo clinic banani nke kam bye.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.